on, Corey.
Hey, mine.
Left lane.
He's never gonna live that down. You ain't never living that one down, brother.
You got a video of that? Yep.
Everybody except Dad Ray,
Did you get a video of that?
I
got it. Start.
him, that side of the fence, or over there on that side of the fence.
Okay, perfect. Okay, you can go out.
Okay guys, just give you a little feedback on that race that you just saw with that Mustang. It was a no prep event at the other end of the track at Tucson Dragway. There was a $100 buy-in. I went into it. I was the only import that joined it, so I was kind of happy with that. So a little backstory on that. I ended up losing that race because my car rolled forward. So they bumped us in. They had me, they first stopped him. They had bumped me in. I stopped, but since I slipped the clutch, the car rolled like maybe a half an inch before he hit the light, and because of that, they gave the Mustang the win. He ended up missing a gear, I do know that, so it probably would have been a much closer race if he didn't miss a gear. But it was fun. It was cool doing it. It was I was the only import. This video is old at this point. That was March 30th, and today we're in July already. So I'm still catching up on old videos. I haven't been out much with the Galant. It's kind of I broke something and we're in the process of fixing it, which in the later videos I will go over that. But yeah, I plan on doing no more no prep events with this car. I want to do as much drag racing as I can with this car. I do need to get one of those staging lane brakes, those little brakes that they pull back and they hold it when they stage. And that would allow me to preload the car also. So I do plan on getting that. I know what company I plan on ordering it through. I just got to wait for the funds to keep rolling in. But yeah, that's about it. I ended up losing the race. You guys saw I clearly did win it, but since I jumped, well, I rolled forward. I'm not going to say I jumped. I rolled forward. Like I said, maybe a half an inch. At the end of the video, I'll show the GoPro angle. And going back and watching it, you could kind of see the car stops real quick and then rolls right before the light. So it looks like all one motion, but it definitely... I know I stopped it, but it still rolled forward when I was slipping the clutch. So, more mods to come. For that race, we did put a 440 Walbro fuel pump in it to try making more power, but the injectors are still maxed. It didn't work. So, bigger injectors in the near future. Lots more things in the future. I'll just leave it at that. I want to... do more modding to the Integra also, and then of course the Nitrous still has to get done. But subscribe guys, like the videos, please share it. I'm sure you guys got Mustang friends that would love to see that. And yeah, share the video, subscribe, like it. Like I said, at the end of the video I will do a 20-25 second clip of the GoPro view that was on. deleted a bunch of my GoPro videos, so I lost the footage going backwards because it was doing a time lapse. It was all messed up. I didn't have the settings right, and I was quite upset, and I deleted a bunch of videos off my GoPro. So I did lose a lot of videos, but on that day I still had the forward one, and it'll help show you guys where my car rolls just a tad. But alright guys, thanks.